This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigar. Well-maintained and updated home on a large, private cul-de-sac lot in the heart of Lago Mar. Backyard is a delight with large in-ground pool, hot tub, pergola and large deck. Open floor plan. Family room with fireplace and built-ins opens to the kitchen. Gourmet eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and ceramic tile flooring and backsplash. All bathrooms in the home have been recently updated. Huge master bath with his and hers vanities updated in 2019. Full brick exterior. Large frog. 2 new air conditioner units, 2017. New pool liner and pool light, 2018. New salt cell, 2019. Pergola has new roof, paint, lighting and shade. Kitchen has new dishwasher, 2018, refrigerator, 2017, touchless faucet, 2019. New ceiling fans and lighting in all rooms. New wifi thermostats both upstairs and downstairs, 2018. All hardware and light fixtures updated throughout the home. Plus many more improvements and updates inside and out. For more information